Introducing the Wiser Fan Speed Controller, designed for an effortless installation. To commission the device, open the Wiser app. Go to the Devices menu and tap the plus icon to add a new device. Select Without Hub, then choose Fan Controller. Enter your device information and tap Next. Now, tap the power button 4 times within 10 seconds. When the LED begins to blink, tap Start Configuration. Allow the Wiser app any required permission. Tap on Mac ID. Choose your Wi-Fi network, enter the password, and tap on Connect. The fan controller is now successfully connected. For compatibility details with BLDC fans, please refer to the user manual.